So we are now going to have an actual example of how you can use Premiere Pro. So yung gagamitin natin dito na app is Premiere Pro. This is a PC app. So ito talaga yung pinaka one of the famous video editing apps talaga na ginagamit is the Premiere Pro. So for me, plus points talaga yan, pogi points pag nilagay niyo for example sa resume niyo that you know how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So ito siya. So pag i-open niyo yung Premiere Pro niyo, you will see ganito. Ito yung kanyang welcome screen. So all you need to do is you just need to click itong new project. There. So yon, lagay niyo lang yung name ng project. For example, you're doing a beach commercial video. Ayan, for example. And then okay nyo lang. And there. Ito na yung ano mismo, dashboard ng Adobe Premiere Pro. So makita nyo to dito, ito mga effects control. And to the right, ito yung video playback. Yan, itong program no sequences. Dito na part is the video playback. And dito naman sa lower left, dito nyo i-import yung mga media or yung mga video files, yung music background, tsaka yung sound effects. Dito nyo ilalagay. You can browse the folder or you can simply just drag nyo yung mga files and drop it here. And then, dito naman is, dito nyo makikita yung mga files or yung mga media files na gusto nyong pagdikit-dikitin or gusto nyong i-edit. Makikita nyo yan dito. And then, ito yung mga tools na mostly na ginagamit. Ito is the selection tool. And then, the razor tool, ito yung ginagamit to cut. Kung i-splice yung video, kailangan niya ng razor tool. And last but not the least, itong type tool. Kung gusto niyo naman mag-add ng text. So, basically, yun lang yung dashboard and ng Adobe Premiere Pro. So, mag-example na tayo. So, pagkatapos nyong I suggest na i-group or ilagay nyo sa isang folder yung inyong mga video files, yung inyong music background, and yung sound effects nyo. So, that mas easier for you to edit yung video. So, ito, for example, may client nga kayo, for example, advertising agency, and they would want to promote yung beach, for example, beach places. So, gusto niyang i-invite yung mga kanyang mga potential customers na mag-avail ng kanilang, for example, they are having promos. Ayan, so, you were asked to make a video commercial about yung beach. So, yung unang gagawin natin is, yan, familiarize muna kayo dito sa dashboard ng inyong Adobe Premiere Pro. And after that, i-upload na natin yung mga media files natin.